Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on Zendrop. So first off guys, what you're gonna do is click on create your free account. So after that you'll be redirected to this site. So here guys, we can enter through our first name, email and password, but for me it will be easier to enter with Google. You can also enter with Apple and Facebook, but I'll just enter with Google. So after clicking on it, you just have to choose your account. After that, click on continue, and after continuing, I think that you'll be redirected to the main site. So here is it guys. So here we have to connect to our Shopify store. We can connect the store with entering our URL manually, or we can start a store here for $1, but I'll connect it later, just not to show you. So here we can see our dashboard. We can see here our fulfilled orders are going to appear here, our overview and our orders. But now to get started, we can attend free training if you'd like that. I won't do this. We can watch all these things, but we're not going to look at that. Now we click on find products, and we can here choose whatever we want to sell. So now we can if you'd like to, you can say you can but you can drop ship like gym things. If you are fond to going to the gym, you can like buy this gym vest. Like we can click on it and we can see for how much can we buy it, what's the shipping, like let's say to Bulgaria, okay, let's say to the other countries, $12, and it will be in total of $15. And after that you can again drop ship it and choose a retail price in your you can just choose the price you'd want to sell it. So just for $3 and $12 of shipping, it comes to a total of $15.73. If you'd like to sell it, I guess for $20, you'll be $5. You get $5 of profit. You can buy these gym lifting straps, gym ankle adjustable straps, male gym t-shirts, and whatever you want. Here also like a jug, these low gym fitness t-shirt, like yoga pants, gym t-shirts, quick dry man running t-shirt, and everything, like a sack and whatever you want guys. Just if you'd like to have anything, I'll just click my products and add my products, and here are our products. After that we can just click on review and publish. So we can set the name of this, like I can say men gym shirt, tight and flexible, best materials. Like make the main title, the name of the product appealing, so people would like to buy it. Like men gym shirt, tight and flexible, best. And like you can enter the product type, like men gym men, like this could be. You can add tags like men gym sportswear, I deem it sportswear. And yeah, guys, you can add a description also, a variants, images, and whatever you want. It's as simple as that. You can after that see your orders and everything. You also can see extras, but you have to buy the premium version to see the branding, bundles and boxes, AliExpress, import, trendy products, and Zendrop Academy. So now let me show you the paid plans, guys. So there's a free plan that we're using right now. There's a pro plan which is for $49 a month and gives us these perks. All these perks that will ease up our dropshipping experience, and the pro plan gives us all these perks that we didn't have in our previous plans, just for $79 a month. And if you'd like to sell high volume things, we have to contact the sales support to just arrange the price and everything. But that was it for the video, guys. I hope that I've helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.